Back, do a little shop walk around since I've made all the improvements. And anybody who's not on the extra social networks will have noticed that I've walled the inside of the shop, which is such a huge improvement, and just how it feels in here. And I've started to get some tools in places that stay, which is like a huge morale booster working in here. If you remember before, the walls were all open, the insulation was showing always made the shop look dirty, but with doing this, certainly makes it look nicer in here. And the cool thing about it is I walled the entire lower half of this whole shop. That was some old barn siding, pallets at the top. I got some of that tin from the same place. Some pallets bringing it all together, and that's all pallets right there. And then this was somebody's deck, and it was junk out in the next town, and I got all of that for free. The only thing I've spent on walling up the inside of this shop was a box of nails and screws, and that's it. And I've got these benches all leveled and mounted to the walls back again. Same with those, put that up, and I've got to level that one, and I think that's it. And I have to screw that bench down, and that's where I'm at. And I have to figure out what I want to do with this, where I don't know where I want to put that yet. It's big, it's heavy, and no matter where I put it, I used to have it to the door right there, and this bench was flush to the wall, and this one up against it. I've kind of reversed that to open up this space here so I could finally get all my tools mounted to a wall nicely with good access to them. And then after that, I will be doing these, and I think I'm going to just buy, there's a gentleman selling rusty tin at 2 feet wide by 10 feet long for $10 pop, and these are over 2 feet wide, so I can't do that. So I figure I'll do something crazy and do them lengthwise. 10 feet puts me down about here, and I have a bunch of scrap over there that would fill the corners. And then obviously the next step up, I would be trimming it. And I'll take 5 sheets per side, $100 in tin, unless I can score another good deal. But got the E-tank all set up again, fresh water and mix, so it's ready to crank away. And I just got to clean this up and get the air compressor back in place. But yeah, not too bad. I don't make enough YouTube content. This is pretty quick shot stuff. But anyway, that's where I'm at. And hope you guys enjoyed the little walkthrough. Any questions for videos other than outings? Obviously, I know that's what people ask for the most. But if you want to see any other videos, by all means, let me know. And thanks a lot.